Hi guys! In today's vlog, we're heading to Tagaytay to visit one of its attractions that we haven't been to yet, CROSSWINDS Tagaytay. CROSSWINDS is famous for its stunning mountain views and over 35,000 pine trees, which give off a cool alpine village vibe. Just a 1.5-hour drive from Manila, making it a perfect quick getaway. We actually have an appointment in Batangas later today, so we thought this would be a perfect chance to bring the family along and stop by CROSSWINDS before heading there. CROSSWINDS, there's a 500 peso entrance fee per private vehicle, and that already includes parking. Let me tell you, this place is so beautiful. It almost feels like you're in Baguio. There are also several coffee shops where you can hang out and enjoy the cool weather.
Hi guys, what's up? We are currently at CROSSWINDS Tagaytay. Hi!
How come the stars come to
Hawak ka
shine
dito.
when it's dark from so far away?
It is actually our
Show
first
us where
time
we are.
exploring CROSSWINDS
What makes the
Tagaytay.
sun go to sleep every night?
Opo, dun
What's
tayo.
it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down?
Alright guys, since this is our first time here, medyo nakakalito yung daan-daan, but yeah, ang ganda dito. It reminds me of Camp John Hay sa Baguio City.
It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss their leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
We stopped by a cafe called Dear Joe and tried some of their drinks. The place has such a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The drinks were really good, though a bit on the pricey side.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark?
Along the way, we passed by a cute playground, so we made a quick stop to take some photos of the kids.
How can I get through?
Mga laking ano eh.
Need to know
Kali!
When I turn up, you get going. At every stop, baby, oh, it's showing.
There was also an outdoor pool next to the playground, but I chose not to film it out of respect for the people
When I'm
swimming.
busy, that's the time you are free. Just tell me, what should I do? How can I get how can I get through? How can I get through? Tell me, baby, please. How can I get through? How can I get through to you? With every step you take to.
Next, we headed to San Antonio de Padua in Batangas for our interview. It was less than an hour away from where we were.
I go left, then you turn to the right. I'm walking in darkness, bring me into the light.
Okay,
Just why
we're
can't
back
you
here.
chance? You keep running away from me. You keep.
Alright guys, what's up? Andito kami ngayon ulit sa San Antonio de Padua because attend kami ng interview with the priest. This is for our upcoming wedding and sobrang lapit na at kinakabahan kami na excited, choose one. So we'll see you later. Mainit.
Suddenly, the world I used to know.
When we arrived, several couples were already lined up for the priest interview. So we decided to have lunch first. Luckily, there were tables and chairs available outside the church.
'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine.
After our appointment at San Antonio de Padua, we went back to CROSSWINDS Tagaytay to explore a bit more. Good news, you don't have to pay the entrance fee again. Just show them the pass you received earlier and you can come and go throughout the day.
Alright guys, we're back here at CROSSWINDS Tagaytay.
I know you play your part.
Naghahanap lang kami ng spot kung saan maganda mag-take ng photos dito sa CROSSWINDS Tagaytay. Let's go, Kali!
Just let me know when I go.
Careful, Kali!
Truthfully, the game that you've been playing felt so real to me. I once believed that you could be my destiny. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily? Who are you and what are we? Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know? If you don't need me, just let me know and I'll go. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I know?
And that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!